Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, November 28th. We're near the end of the month, so we have some morning announcements for today. 4th and 5th grade, you have your concert tonight at 6 p.m. at Belvedere High School at the PAC. I know you guys are going for rehearsal very soon this morning to actually go practice, so good luck to all of you tonight. I will see you then. For November birthdays, we do not have any November birthdays until Friday this week. So that will be the next time we make an announcement for November birthdays, and then we will start December. For lunch choices for today, we have grilled cheese and tomato soup, chicken patty sandwich, or Italian sub. And today for our pause, I had the students choose, so it was their own choice of what pause they wanted to speak about today. So we have some second graders here to talk about that.
Okay, boys and girls, we're all going to talk about different things with pause for our coming back to school day. So I'm going to start out with one of the students who's going to get some examples of what that would mean to them.
For showing respect. For looking hard on two-digit numbers. For having a positive attitude and being kind.
Those are all great examples. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, boys and girls, for sharing those. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you very much. And let's please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls, have a great day today. It is Wednesday, so make it the best Wednesday of the month. It is the last Wednesday of the month, so we might as well make it the best one of the whole month. So remember, the choices are yours, so make some good ones, and I will see you later on for today.